everyone, this is Cindy Craig with the Heart, and today I have a haul from a new place to me. It's a place where I bought some sequins, and so I had been seeing a lot of people at Frank Garcia's shop buying sequins from this company called 28 Lilac Lane. Flashy, Flash. My dog is in here with me. I don't know what he's up to. Don't touch. And so I looked them up, and I found out that they're belong to subsidiary of, I don't know, 28 Lilac Lane is part of Buttons Galore and More. So if you go to Buttons Galore and More site, you can purchase some stuff. So they had some things on sale, and then they had some things I wanted to try. And then I bought a couple extra things, which I'm going to do a giveaway. So first of all, it has this free gift. I haven't even opened it, so let's see what's in the free gift. The free gift has some clear, like, alphabets. Kind of neat. It has these word tiles. And then these charms. Kind of school charms. That's cool. Okay, so that was the free gift. And then what I ordered. So I ordered a couple of these boxes. So this one is called Rainbow Unicorn. And it has buttons and sequins of all different sizes and some seed beads. And so this one's called Unicorn. And there's a ton of little things in there for shakers or whatever. So there's that. And then I got this box, and this box is called Deck the Halls. I believe the Christmas stuff was on sale, maybe $1 off. And also, I got $10 off my first purchase, and $30 was free shipping. So I got quite a bit of stuff, I think. And so then I got this one. This is more of a traditional color, but again, it's got sequins of all different sizes. It's got a couple different sizes of buttons. And then it looks like there's some seed beads in there. So I did get those too. And then I got, three. Sorry, I got one more box. And, oops, I'm going to fly out. Okay, this one is a Halloween mix. It's called Halloween Candy. And I really am loving this one. I think it's a really nice, funky mix for Halloween. So I got that one. And then I did get one tin. This is the tin that I got. And this one is called Party Time. And it's like green and blue and some white. So I got that one. And then I got a couple of ones that come in little pouches. So this one is Witch's Brew. It's another Halloween one, but kind of different from this one. This one has some stars in it. And then I got this one, which is called Bloom. And it's kind of like pinks and burgundies and whites. I got this one, which is called Minty Fresh. This one, which is called, I don't know, but I want to say it's like fairy or something to that effect. I didn't get an invoice with this. Something to that effect. But it's maybe it's a mermaid. I thought it was fairy dust or something. But it's purples and mints, and it's got little clear stars and seed beads. And then I got this one, which is called Coffee. And it's just coppers and browns. And then I got a tube. This one was on sale. And this is called Candy Cane. And it's just red and white in a little tube. I got, so all of this, plus what I'm giving away, I have 3 pouches to give away. That was $31 plus tax. So quite a bit of sequins, I think, for the price. Now, to the giveaway. So I've got 3 of these to give away. So I'm going to have 3 little winners, and I'll just mail these out, little card. I just want to thank everyone, new and old subscribers. I have had my channel actually for a very long time, since 2010, and really, I was really growing, and then I just kind of let it go. A lot of things happened in my life. Got a divorce. Actually, it took me 3 years to get divorced, and I'm actually still in the middle of dealing with other stuff, finances and other things with my divorce. So we're on to 4 years, almost over 4 years now, 4.5 years. And so it's a really stressful time, and I really lost my mojo, and I really wasn't doing a lot of crafting and posting and promoting and commenting or anything. And it was my kids, who are big YouTube addicts, who encouraged me to craft more and to post and to get more involved with my channel instead of letting it die. And so I have been crafting more and finding some more joy in crafting, because I kind of lost the joy in it. So I am going to have a couple giveaways in this month, next month. July's almost over, but I'm going to have a couple giveaways. I just thought it would be kind of fun to do just some simple things. So I've got these three. I've got this one, which is called Through the Woods, and this one, which is called Minty Fresh, and this one, which is called French Quarter. And so I'm going to have 3 winners. All you have to do is be a subscriber and leave a comment on this post. And my last Christmas in July collab will be on Friday, 27th. And so I will pull a winner. So you just need to have it, have your comment in by then, and I'll just randomly pick 3 people, and then I'll just mail these out to you. All you have to do is be a subscriber and leave a comment. That's it. Okay. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Creating the Heart.